Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. This tea is great for anyone who wants to lose some weight. What's so special about it? It's made with a very special ingredient, blackberry leaves. Blackberry leaves contribute to weight loss due to the presence of certain types of yeast that aid in digestion and improve the functionality of our intestines. And the best part is that they taste great. Blackberry tea is also rich in vitamin C, which fights diseases such as diabetes and high cholesterol. Furthermore, it's a powerful antioxidant and makes our skin and nails look nicer. Many people say that this tea keeps our hair from falling out and can prevent baldness. It's also great at lessening menopause symptoms, such as annoying heat flashes. Here are some of the benefits of regular consumption of this tea. Fights diabetes, prevents and fights obesity, normalizes blood pressure, improves cholesterol levels, improves liver and kidney function, prevents cancer, fights constipation, regulates our endocrine system, has bactericidal and anti-inflammatory effects, prevents osteoporosis. Here's how to make blackberry tea. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 3 fresh minced blackberry leaves. Instructions: boil the water. As soon as it starts boiling, add the blackberry leaves, turn off the stove, and put the lid on the pot. The recommended dose is 4 cups a day in between meals. There are reviews on the internet from people who say they lost 1.5 kilos in a week when they combined blackberry tea with an easy diet and moderate exercise. You can make this tea with leaves from any kind of blackberries. If you can't find fresh leaves, you can do it with the dried kind, which are sold at natural food stores. If you're using dried leaves, you'll need 1 tablespoon of blackberry leaves for 1 liter of water. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.